I'm making a review here of the OxiClean White Revive. Now it says that it is a laundry whitener and stain remover. And right here I've got a white towel with coffee stains on it. As you can see, I did put quite a bit of this on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it on the towel, let it sit there and see how it goes. I'm also gonna add Lysol laundry sanitizer, which is a 0% bleach and kills 99.9% of bacteria. So I'm gonna use these two, see how it goes. I'm gonna add maybe a little bit detergent, and what kind of detergent I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use All Small and Mighty. This is a very super concentrated detergent, so you don't have to use too much, and it should, I mean, it says it's with stain lifter, so it should be able to clean not only this, but a variety of different clothing I have inside here. So let's go ahead and start it. Alright, so I went ahead and, as you can see, there's some, definitely a lot of it I put on it. Just letting it sit. So it's been on there now for a couple minutes. I'm just going to throw it in. And I've got the all here. Now you don't have to use too much, so basically, look at the tab. Where's the tab? Tab. Don't really see the tab, but you can see it's quite a bit of this. And let's go ahead and start this up. Actually, before I start it up, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the detergent. What do you want to do with this laundry? Just put it right there on the bottom plastic area, and let's put this a little bit, whatever's left over, the small bit, onto the clothing itself. So went ahead and did that. Let's go ahead and try Delicates, colors with soak, colors, normal. I'm just gonna put normal, put warm, auto sensing, and just click on that button. So now it's sensing where to fill for the water. And actually, one thing to notate is that you know, with this laundry, or you have an HE or whatever, this is an old school laundry machine, so it's going to use a lot more water in comparison to an HE laundry machine. So again, this is what I'm using. The laundry sanitizer. This one you don't have to put too much, but I just put a little bit of it just to kind of sanitize it. But the main two are these that I'm using. So I do put on warm, cool or cold. You're able to do as well, but it's recommended to put hot or warm to make sure that the laundry detergent and the clothing gets soaked in warm or hot water, so it can penetrate throughout it. So anyways, guys, it's gonna take some time here to wash this, but I'll make sure to let you guys check it out after it washes and dries out. Thanks.